Welcome to a Lake Washington School District video tutorial on the care and maintenance of Haiku rosters at the semester point. Now this video tutorial is for those people that were able to set up their Haiku site correctly and set their rosters up correctly. What I mean by that is that they were able to manually create their own Haiku class site and not use the Skyward generated classes to create their site. Number two, you were correctly able to import only your first semester classes. And thirdly, you don't have any other roster conflicts, such as manually adding students after you imported your classes. If these parameters have been met, then your process at the semester point for dealing with your rosters is really quite simple and easy. Let me go through those steps now. The first thing you need to do is go to your Haiku site. Now go to Manage Class, and then go to your roster section. Here you'll find a list of all your students, and you can select the different sections to check those students. Well, we're going to start with first period. Well, actually, we're going to start with Manage Sections by selecting Manage Sections, and then we have our different periods or sections marked. Right now we're on first period, or our first section. Now, all we have to do is go to this unlink button and select unlink. This will ask us if we really want to unlink physical science from our first period. Yes, we will continue. And it's really as simple as that. Now all we have to do is select our next section or period and unlink that roster. Click continue and go through the final third period. And it's really that simple. We've now unlinked all our rosters from first semester. Now all we have to do is link or import our second semester classes. This is easy by, again, going to the period we want to start with. I'll start with first period. Select the import students. Select only list my classes. You can put a search parameter in here if you have a lot of classes. That always helps. But as long as you hit the only list my classes box, then that should just pop up your classes. You now look at your course code numbers. I'm going to have to go to the second page. You look at your course code numbers to find your second semester classes. For this school, second semester is determined by this number right here. For first semester, it was 121. For second semester, it was 122. So that's what we'll do. And then the period was the next 01 after the slash. So see your school registrar to determine what distinguishes your class semester and your class period. Then all you have to do is go over to make sure you're on the correct period, select import. It will ask if you want to link or do a one-time import. You, of course, want to do a link so the communication link stays connected with Skyward, and then select continue. You can double check your students to see if they're correct, and then import those students. This will bring you to your first period class with those students. You just have to go to Manage Sections, select second period or your second section, and then just continue this process until you've completed importing second semester students to your Haiku class. And that's really all there is to it. Have a great second semester.